مالي أفكي باتشوق الجبي بنتاجنا أفكي باتشوق الجبي أود بانشرين حاجة جابتني هذا علي الله أن حرست شيدان أبح على هاي وحنا كوبري شيدا ذبح ذواء وأفكي الله كتشر أوري يقول كاسودع ولا جيناك سومالية ساو مهبارين إلهي وحنا كوبري أو إرمي يقول الله كاسوردا وين إلهي نجا كاربا أو إلهي إرساق دار شر أو كمستاد جو أو إلهي هو يكو أو يأبكو أو يورالكو أو من ملهده إلهي نكو أو إلهي وحكو أو يما هي ستده عرور تعدينا واكون عضي أو واكون عضي أو كوما سو أكتو واح إسنا عضي أو أرتيبع تهاي أو فدرع أو أن وح الله علي وح كنا حساجرين باتهاي أو أن بالآذن أهين أو أن مس وسخد أديك إيه وحل عكتك وقصينا هيا بقى أديك إيه وحل عكتك وقصينا هيا يا أديك إيه وحل عكتك وقصينا هيا بقى ودد أن بالآذن هوي وحل عكتك وقصينا هيا إن دد بالآذن عيده وأفلقات ديسو أو سيدا جانجستر أو عيده نايا كوين بعنيسا نايا كوين كوين تبعد عنيا نايا كوين تيا عني إذا كعني عنيسا كوين تيا عني والله ناقي هاي واحد ذهي صوتن إيه واحد كوالله صوتن والو بفهمه هذيك إيه قفك العقد كوكسي إن أنا دبعتيسو أن أفلقات ديسو إلهي رزاقده وكتر هيا أو بلايو كرد هيا نوا بآذن مئهدين أو دتك وحنو هذنا دتك حنوصرية دتك وحنو هذا الله وحينا بين باشيكتين إلهي وحان إذين بريء هو يلا يساعد وقشين طبعا سنضاد بعناش كل رفيسان وكل كفسانيسين أنا من كان مقعان وتمقع كل ولاجة حبري هاي من النابسنا ولا جاسو عيري وأجهي عرزانا ولا عيرنا يا والله عبري dadkiina nimankeenu ku kufsanayeen hooyaday markaas waliba aniga imaagaysa war ilaahay Soomaaliyeey war Soomaali miyaan ahay wala Soomaali waa dacweynina ilaaha nagu ogiyo rasuul laga bilaabo siyaad waagu nagu soo raray uu naga soo raray Soomaali waqooyi nagu soo daabulay magaalada Caynaba ee buuraha ay aqalalana xanuunsanahay bacalada kuleelka ee buuraha gaaska laga helay alla maxaa macdan ku jirta meesha lagu tuuray xoolaha iyo buuraha qallalan ya alla buurahaas waxa la isku leeyahay waa buurahaas xitaa iska bada intaan meel kale la gaarin buurahaas nagu tuuray yiri ku dhinta halkaan ee caruuraha iyaga maanta hooyadii walaalkii u adeeg lahaa maanta halka ku dhamaadeen laga soo bilaabo maalinka maanta naagtaan bilaadan oo lacagta ku siisaan naagtaan iyo dadka lacagta ku siisay inay dhibaateeyaan aflagaadeen meel walba noo daba galaan ما نقدر على هذا سومالي شاقنا سانود إلها جنسية الصومالية هذا جنسية أمريكا هي جنسية USA هدي كل هذه كل هذه ما نقدر على لسان كان يا ورسن جدين وحلا هذا دلشدينه ما حيتاي دلشدينه ما حيتاي دلشدينه بلاش وحب أنا دلنتاد ميا دلنتاد كاب شهوية دلشدينه صومها حانا نو ارتسيات برنا وتي وانو ميو نغو شقيسانايeen oo jaajuus buux amxaan u ahay khadaan baan ahay isleef waataan meel bamarayna nala wadaan oo nala waday oo warqadaha naga oo anagu sitiidan Soomaali ku dhalan noogu qoran tahay waxa nagu nacdeeno waxa ina ku kufsataan oo fuulfuushaan mooyaane inaadna waxba noo qaban maxaad oo dadkan habartaan xunta oo Minnesota laga soo ceyriyo Arizona joogta nooga celi weeyaan alist waxa wax noogu qaban weydeen hadda hooyadii nimankaan ma jeertaana ka qaatay taxis 10 sanadood bay ku kufsanayeen ku fuulayeen Minnesota ina maanta aniga wax laga saaran habar xun halka ay soo fariisatay kuweentii ay cunaysaa iyo qofkina caawiye noo soo gurmada leeyahay way cunayaan ka carar waa bahara dadka cunay inta been la ka sheego warmo waxaan adduunka Soomaali nationality u qaadanay oo ugu dhalanay ina anaga dhibaato noo geysataa تكرهي باتين تكرهي تاني تكرهي هذا نوجي وتكرهي هذا نوع قلاد هن عاويين هن قعان قبتين haddaan xabashideeda noo oggolaada hana gacan qabteen haddaan suudaniiskayaga noo oggolaada hana gacan qabteen maxaad noogu haysataan meel cidlo oo noo kufsanaysaan noo fulfuulaysaan oo maraykankana noogu kufsanaysaan war dowladda maraykanka waxaan ka codsanaynaa oo aan weydiisanaynaa qaxooti baan nahay refugee baan nahay indho kale ma lihin wax allaale iyo wax naloo oggoliyay inaan qabannaa ma jirto wax dhaqaale ah oo caawimaadaha waan la ka dhaariyey hooyaday 10 years baa niman majeerteen iyo daaroodu ku kufsanahayaan Minneapolis maalintii ay qaateen the day they took from Texas to Preston they raping my mother over Minnesota now she by now even able to speak she just even stopped speaking they accusing my mom my brother he hit her now they may accuse him because they not friends since they are fighting my family each other starting from my own father my own blood flash my father my own flashing blood my own father my own mother they make them fight each other they make them not to be friends back home even in Kenya when my father left when my family was in Nairobi and I was them to come to USA he wanted his half brother in Cielo where he been poisoned by Somali Aborigines Somali people Somali Kenyan they poisoning him and they took his name you know they took his name his father's name Jama his father's name Mahmoud Ali they took his names Somali names because that's all they say we took you my Somali name because they think that name belongs to them we took you the Somali name you're Tigray you're Habashi you're this you're that you're Christian you're born Christian your father was Christian man this is a double this is the double lies this is a rape this is a Somali people who is a bad they kill my grandfather after they use him they abusing my family I want you USA support us the Somali community abusing us they using against us women and men from anywhere Arabia Muslim community using against us and any Christian community that listen to them they using against us any Muslims now they using against us Muslims from Arabia even not being a poor Arabian they from Eastern Europe and elsewhere and Malaysia Yugoslavia and elsewhere and they probably come from somewhere Ukraine elsewhere in Eastern Europe and it's North Africa stuff like that who speaks Arabic they use it against us they give a little bit of money a little bit of opportunity and then they start using it against us what are they gonna do they're gonna do certain things the certain things they do is we are as community belong the Muslim mosques when we go there and try to get support from the leaders there to see an situation they are betraying on us not to get support as well as they are doing that to our own tribe Tigray Habashi Sudan whatever they are they're refusing us to support German white German whatever they are they're refusing them to support us when some people want to support us then we become Somali they're Somalian they're African they this why are they all the same as other ones the other ones should be supported should be okay fine so waxa anaga targeted we are targeted they are people waxaan u taaganahay oo we are standing to just their what they call blood shield they shielding us to their people one is there has to be support before our people who should be support so anaga dhimanayno first we have to die is that's what they are saying the Somali has to be alive so doing that so USA support us we've been blood shield since my great grandfather we've been blood shield to be supporting somebody else and we have to die first before anyone else die if 10 people should die we have to save that 10 people and kill some of them these people this is what they are doing So we're tired. We become a Somali blood shield. We need to go sue Somalia, the government Somalia, the five of the government, Chikchiga, NFD, Kenya government, Somali government, Somalia, even Somaliland. We all need money from them because they're killing our people, trying to use against us. Look, this is what they're doing. This is basically what I heard. We are not able, my brother not able to get kidney. 5 another Somali people have to get kidney before he get kidney. I could not get my citizenship until another 500 people get citizenship. And I have to get with another 500. I waited 5 years my citizenship. So we are being blood shield by these people. These people, it doesn't matter. Even they teach anybody, any Spanish, anybody who has something to do with us. Any Eastern Europe, they can be anybody. They teach them. They have to be blood shield on us. Oh, before they get supported, another 20 people have to be supported. Before they get any money, any housing, another 100 people have to get supported. Before they get the medication treatment, another 100 people have to get treatment. Before my brother get kidney, another 5 people, 10 people have to get kidney. So we have become a blood shield. Blood shield. We cannot do this anymore. Our people are dying, being blood shield by somebody else. We need support. We need support. We need human rights to support us. A human rights abuse is going on us. What is going on is not fair. We're trying to get support. Please support.